In the United States of America, no one should go broke because they get sick.
Tonight, the president made his case for health care reform to the American people on national television. The president described details of his plan in a joint congressional address.
He also made a plea for lawmakers to stop the bickering and to start working for change.
KPRC Local 2 reporter Ryan Korsgaard is joining us live. And Ryan, people on both sides of the aisle, so to speak, are talking about this speech. What are they saying?
Absolutely. The president says it's time to stop arguing, of course. He says it's time to start coming up with some solutions. But his critics say that he did not bring the two sides any closer tonight.
I am not the first president to take up this cause, but I am determined to be the last.
President Obama took his health care sales pitch to Congress. He says about 80% of lawmakers agree on what needs to be done. However, many different ideas of how to get there.
The time for bickering is over. The time for games has passed. Now is the season for action. Now is when we must bring the best ideas of both parties together and show the American people that we can still do what we were sent here to do. Now is the time to deliver on health care.
The president said individuals would be required to carry basic health insurance. He said businesses would either have to offer a plan or help pay.
Time for games.
At Biba's Diner on Memorial near Dietering, near Memorial Park, the president was on the TV, but not on the menu. Helen Walsh and friends paid more attention to dinner than to the president's speech.
He can be on or off. I just don't really care.
We've had it on for a little bit.
Is make the insurance.
But on Capitol Hill, Republican Congressman Kevin Brady from the 8th District of Texas paid close attention to the president's promises.
What are your reflections, and is this actually doable?
Well, we all want health care reform. I think we're excited about getting the chance to do it, but I was disappointed. There was nothing new here. He's selling the same government-run plan that the American public is rejecting. So I'm not sure he's listening to them. And I think
now the president wants a government option to private insurance. He said it would help keep insurance companies honest. He said that premiums, not taxpayers, would pay for that coverage. Ryan Korsgaard, KPRC Local 2.
Well, the